there's another one just around the corner. That's just another confirmation.
Right. And so those major investors like Warren Buffett bailing out of AI
Yep.
stocks,
Yep.
that's really the proof to what we were discussing earlier, that
Yep.
this whole AI thing is a bubble.
Overpriced. Yep. They know
Okay.
it, and they can. And Warren is a value investor when he buys attractive companies, companies at attractive prices, and when they're too high, he just bails and then sits on cash until the next opportunity. That's how he operates.
Right. And so
So
the average investor who doesn't know all of this is the ones left holding the bag when
they
it
get suckered
crashes.
into the market. They're getting suckered into the market. The news cycle, as you know, is controlled. So the news is basically pumping the market so that the average person who doesn't understand that the news is captured, that the financial media is captured, the the money, the people in the know are able to bail, and the average person is getting stuck with stocks that are going to crash.
Okay. Now we've discussed the effect of rising unemployment and rising prices, stagflation on the economy, the global economy, the Canadian economy, but we didn't really touch that much on war. If this war expands and we end up in World War III, what's that going to do?
It's going to, it's usually good for the markets. It's in a sense good for the economy because it creates productivity in the military side. Because as you're blowing up things, you're making more. So the military industrial complex is firing on all cylinders. So that's a positive for the economy in a sense, and a positive for the market. And if you look at throughout history, whenever there was a major war or breakout, markets did well
Until the war is over.
until the war is over, and now you're going into depression.
Right. So here's what happens then, and we've seen this in history. We're already talked about the fact that yes, right now we're in a market bubble, especially with the Magnificent Seven and the AI stocks. And you're showing a chart right here that's showing the cash increasing, which means that always presaging a major depression or coming. But maybe we end up with World War III, which props up the markets artificially for a while until it ends. And what occurs to me is that when that happens, all that means is that the crash is going to be even worse.
It's everything. The longer the market is propped up, the bigger the crash is going to be. That's a given.
And they're
And
already propping up the markets. The globalists have already been propping them up.
And with that, let me just show you guys something specific because I want to show you guys a chart because I got an updated one.